an old-fashioned sort of feller, aren't you?
Well, I know what I like, and I like what I know.
And we know you can't stand modern music.
Exactly. They just don't make music like they used to.
Well, if you're such a big fan of the past, I bet you already know all about the past tense.
The past what?
Tense. The tense we use tells our audience whether we're talking about the present, the future, or the past.
Oh, so it's the way we change words and sentences depending on when we're talking about.
Exactly! Look at all these words which are written in the present tense. For example, it would make sense if we said, I can see a cloud.
It would, especially because we live in the United Kingdom.
But it wouldn't make sense if we said, yesterday I see a cloud.
No, that just doesn't sound quite right, does it?
Nope. That's why we have different versions of the same words for use in the past tense. Look.
Yes. We'd say, yesterday I saw a cloud.
We would. In fact, we don't even need to say, yesterday I saw a cloud for people to know it was in the past. If we say, I saw a cloud, they'll know that it's something that isn't happening right now.
This is all fantastic stuff, Twinklebot.
If we look a little bit deeper, we can also see that there are different types of past and present tenses.
Oh no, you're not about to confuse me, are you?
No. Would I do such a thing?
Well, of course. You do it all the time.
Oh, well, I'll do my best to keep it simple. You see, the sentences we just made there were examples of simple present and simple past tenses.
So, those are examples of the simple past and simple present tenses. Sounds simple enough.
But we could also use the present continuous tense and past continuous tense, or past progressive tense, as it's sometimes called.
Oh, here we go. Here comes the confusing part.
Well, I hate to disappoint you, Owl, but this is pretty simple too, once you get your head around it. These tenses just involve adding an ing suffix. Look, imagine you went for a walk in the park. We could just say, Owl went for a walk in the park, and that would be simple past tense.
Simple. Got it.
But we could use the past continuous tense and say, Owl was walking in the park.
Oh, okay. And the present continuous tense could be, I'm walking in the park.
Perfect! Past continuous and present continuous tenses tell us that an action was or is ongoing. They can alter the meaning of a sentence in a really small but specific way.
Oh, how do you mean?
Well, imagine something happened to you in the park. We could…
Oh no, I didn't meet a gang of bears, did I?
Bears? At this time of year? In this country? Let's say you ate an ice cream.
Oh good, that's much safer.
Anyway, if we use the simple past tense and say, Al went for a walk in the park and ate an ice cream, our audience knows two things. That you went to the park and at some point you ate an ice cream.
What a day.
But if we use the past continuous, we'd say, Owl was walking in the park and eating an ice cream. Do you see how that changes the meaning?
Well, now it sounds like I was eating an ice cream at the same time I was walking.
Exactly! It's really important that we check our writing to make sure that we're using the right tense, but also to make sure that we're saying things exactly how we want to.
For some reason, I really fancy an ice cream.
We can go and get one now.
Okay, but I would like to sit down to eat it.
Sure thing. I'll look out for bears.